Hi, in this video, I want to discuss how to file for a leave application. Now to go to leave application, you go to payroll and then leave. So once you are on the leave, you will see some records. Now the records that you will see it depends on your record restriction. So to know more about record restriction, please watch my video regarding record restriction. Now to apply for a new leave, all you have to do is to click add new record. Okay, so automatically your name and your employee code and your name will come here, and then here you will put the period of your leave. Okay, for example, you say from let's say from January 4 to January 5, for example. Okay, and then here you see your leave balance. So make sure you don't exceed your leave balance, because if you will exceed your leave balance, system will not accept your leave. It will automatically be rejected by the system. Okay? So just to give you an example, let's say your balance now is 4, but let's say you applied for a leave up to 8. Okay, from January 4 to January 8, for example. So this is 5 days, so more than 4 days. And then when you save it, okay, so you will see that there are errors, okay, invalid entries. So one of them is the reason for leave. So reason for leave should be filled. Okay, it is required by the system. So let's say you put here go to Bali. Okay, so when you save it, again there's an error. Although you already filled this reason for leave, there's an error. Number of days applied exceeded balance. That's because your balance is only 4, so you cannot apply more than that. Okay, so therefore you can only apply, let's say, up to 5. So this is only from 4 to 5. Okay, so this is only 2 days. Next is part of day. Part of day means whether your leave is a full day or it can be half day. Now, if it is half day, you need to specify whether it is on the first half. So usually it is on the morning, or the second half, which is in the afternoon. That is, of course, if you have a normal schedule, because some employees are, of course, they are night shift, so therefore their first half can be at night and their second half is in the morning. So it depends on your schedule. But the thing here is that it's a half day. So if it is a half day, you put here which part of the half day. Okay. In our case, I will make it full. Okay. And then here, you need to put here your leave type. So whether it's vacation leave or sick leave or even unpaid leave. Okay. So yeah, that's how easy it is to file a leave application. You only need to fill those fields. So once you're finished, you can now save the leave. Okay, so let me go back to the list. So as you can see, the new leave will now come here and it is pending. Now regarding this list, no, which is typical to in HR Tech, as you can see, there are some colors, no? So when it is green, that means it is approved. When it is white, it means it's pending. But when it is red, it is rejected. Okay. Now, the next portion I want to discuss is how to file for unpaid leave. Because, of course, not all leave application are paid. For instance, you already finish your leave and sick leave, but still you want to go for a leave. So in this case, you can file for unpaid leave. Now, to file for unpaid leave, all you have to do is to click again add new record, and then here you will select unpaid leave. Okay. Now, depending on the policy of the HR, you cannot file a leave until you finish all your balance. There are some companies that don't allow that. You need to finish your vacation leave and sick leave before you can file for unpaid leave. But of course, there are some companies that wherein you are allowed to file for unpaid leave even though you have leave balance. But in that case, this leave will be unpaid. So when you go to your pay slip, you will be considered as absent. Okay? And also, take note that when it is unpaid, the balance will not be checked by the system. That means you can file for any number of days without worrying about the balance. Like, for example, if I say I want to go for, let's say I want to go to Europe for, let's say, 1 month. Okay, that means I want to go from January 1 to January 30, for example. So it's a 1 month. So when you save it, okay, so you can see it's accepted by the system, simply because the unpaid leave system does not check for leave balance for the unpaid leave. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is to file for leave in HR Tech. So if you have any question, please put it on the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.